If you want to create stunning AI-powered visuals and animations in minutes, even if you are a complete beginner, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you exactly how to use Seedance 2.0 inside Higgsfield to bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just curious about AI tools, we will help you unlock powerful features that can take your projects to the next level. We will cover everything from getting started, navigating the interface, to generating your first results with Seedance 2.0. So if you are ready to level up your creative game, make sure to watch until the end and remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. So let's begin. Seedance 2.0 is an advanced AI content generation system inside the Higgsfield AI platform that helps you create AI videos, AI images, cinematic content, consistent character animations, high quality creative outputs, working alongside powerful models like Kling, Nano Banana, and Seedrim, allowing you to produce professional level content with a just prompt. Now, Seedance 2.0 makes the AI content creation faster, easier, and more consistent. But before you can use the Seedance 2.0, you need to sign up on Higgsfield AI platform. Because to fully use Seedance 2.0, you'll need a subscription. You can start with the basic plan, which is best for first-time AI content creations. You have all these perks and benefits. It also includes a 7-day unlimited access to selected models, including, of course, Sedans. You have the option to convert your favorite model into a 365-day unlimited plan. And of course, the Plus plan is best for consistent and easy content creation. And of course, you also get an access to a Seedance 2.0, which is the most popular plan. But the Ultra plan is best for creators building AI projects. As you will notice, that this is going to be the best value for advanced creator, while the business plan, which is ideal for agencies and teams, and it includes multiple unlimited model options. Whatever plan you choose, remember to use our affiliate link in the video description, and to get started, all you have to do is provide all the information needed. You can continue with your business or personal email, and to make the account creation faster, you can sign up using your Google, Apple, Microsoft, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account here in Higgsfield, you will see that inside your dashboard, you will see different tools and features available depending on your plan. These are going to be the creation section. Seedance 2.0 is designed to help you generate structured AI content, especially for videos, script, and automated creative workflows. All I have to do is scroll down until you find Seedance 2.0, which is available for everyone. Right now, it offers a 30% off. And of course, remember to use our affiliate link in the description. Now, all I have to do is click the View All Seedance 2.0, or if you want to get Seedance 2.0, you can simply do that. And what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. You will notice that there's gonna be like three subsections, which is gonna be the create video, edit video, and motion control. The create video is where everything starts. So it lets you generate videos from scratch using AI. You can input text to prompt, images, or concept, and the AI turns your idea into a full video automatically. For example, I am going to type a specific prompt. Okay? The more complex and the more detail you put on the prompt, the better the result will be. And then the edit video subsection is going to be your refinement and customization hub, because it allows you to modify videos you already created. You can find visuals, timing, and overall quality. You can trim or extend clips. You can adjust colors, lighting, and effects. As you can see, you have the ability to change daytime to dusk or add cinematic lighting. You also have the option to have a precise object swap, which is one of the most advanced techniques here in Seedance or basically here in Higgsfield. You also have the option for reframe and composition. You can modify camera angles, transform a wide shot into a close-up, or change the lens type with a text prompt. You have the smart cleanup if you want to remove unwanted wires, anything, you can do so. Of course, you also have the option to recolor and restyle and to extend the keyframing. So not only you can add transitions or improve a smoothness, you think of it as gonna be now think of it as your post-production studio after the AI generates the base video. The last subsection is going to be the motion control. This is where things get more advanced and powerful. So it gives you control over how objects and camera moves in your video. Instead of random AI motion, you can guide it precisely. Of course, you can make the camera slowly into a character while they walk forward, maybe just like in a movie scene. But we're gonna go back to the create video. Since I have already typed a prompt, okay? If you want to upload an image, you can do with that. Remember, since we are using Seedance, that is gonna be the model that we are using in Higgsfield. Matter of fact, if you click the arrow, you have the ability to use a Seedance 2.0. But please take note that whenever you generate any content here in Higgsfield, it requires and it will take credits on your account. So you need to be mindful, and that's why we recommend for you to upgrade to the premium plans so you'll get a limited generation. Okay, so after that, you can select the duration from 15, 7 seconds, and until 4 seconds. You will notice that the shorter the duration is, it takes a little bit of your credits, right? So the longer the duration, it will require more credits. Since we are just starting out and we are creating our first scene or our first draft, it would be wise and smart if we say, for example, let's opt for a 4 seconds video. Okay? Now, if you want to upload an image or character consistent for that specific video, you can do that. Let's say you want to explore and discover the presets. Click on it. So these are going to be the Seedance 2.0 VFX presets. You can apply cinematic looks, effects, and scene styles in seconds. Since you are just beginner here in Higgsfield using Seedance, it might be worth to take a chance to take a look on it. So for example, we have the casual monster slayer, wrestle, magic spell, animal chase. Basically, there's a lot. In my case, I am choosing the face punch. Okay, I'm gonna do that. All I have to do is upload a face. All right. If you want to use a face, you can upload from your device or upload from assets. You can select from your library. I'm going to upload a face in my device, which is gonna be my actual photo. All right. And of course, you can select the aspect ratio later. Right now, by default, it is giving you a 16 by 19. We can change it, matter of fact, right here. If you want to refresh the photo, you can do that. If you accidentally uploaded a wrong photo, you can simply delete it. But for now, of course, I am using it. And if you want to generate this, it will take 54 credit. I am not going to do this because I am mindful of my credit. But if you are sure about it, you can generate it. So I'm going to delete this because I'm not going to use too much of my credits. I'm going to use it for another project. But if you do, if you want to have your own photo here in the video, you can use this. Okay, I'm just giving you the options that you can explore when using Seedance. Once you've done that, all I have to do is click the generate button. Remember, each time you click the generate button, it takes your credits, so you need to be mindful of that. Okay, and at this point, you want to make sure to avoid using any VPN or proxy because that could interfere with the processing time. Remember, the more detailed and complex your prompt is, the longer it takes the Seedance to render your video. Once your video has finished rendering, you'll have several options available. Of course, you can click the play button to preview your video, and if you are not satisfied with the result, you can always refine it further. All you have to do is go to the prompts box, and what we highly suggest is to get the best possible output in Seedance. We highly recommend optimizing your prompt using other AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and of course, Claude. All you have to do is type something like this one. Maybe refine the prompt earlier on Seedance. And all I have to do is type in on the different AI tools from Claude, Perplexity, and of course to ChatGPT. Then press the enter. And of course, you just have to compare the results and choose the version that delivers the best outcome. Now, this is the result in Claude. I have something in Perplexity and ChatGPT. So it's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. In my case, I think I'm gonna go to the Claude. All right, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go very quickly switch back to the Seedance and Higgsfield, and I am going to make another prompt, pasting the prompt from Claude, and all I have to do is click the generate button. Remember, each time you use the generate button, it takes a lot of credits. So if you want to use an element here, okay, you can create your first element if you don't have it yet. All I have to do is click the create element so you have more control on the reference name. For example, let's say what I'm gonna do is I have something like this one. I'm gonna rename it as this. Instead of you click the drop down menu for the advanced settings. You can describe here. You can save it to your workspace and click the save button. And of course, if you want to upload image, you can do that. I'm going to cancel this. I'm just showing you around. If you want to add an audio, you can do that. Or if you want to turn it off, you have an audio later, you can do that as well. But for now, I'm going to delete this prompt. Yes, delete this forever. And I'm going to rerun this prompt again. Okay, click the generate button. While your video is rendering, a pop-up window may appear showcasing an ongoing promotion. Of course, you can take advantage of this if you want to unlock the full range of features and unlimited credits. Remember, do not forget to use our affiliate link mentioned in the video, and once the rendering is complete, just follow the same steps before. You can preview your video right here, make it full screen, and of course, you have the ability to make adjustments and regenerate if needed. Now, the three dots icon here gives you the ability to playback speed, and of course, these gives you more control. If you want to translate, okay, you can do that. You can choose a specific language. Right now, it's on default by English. If you want to translate this into Chinese, French, and different languages available here in Seedance using Higgsfield, you can do that. However, remember, okay, you need to be mindful of your credits. Right now, my credits are not enough to translate this, but if you do have, you have the ability to choose the language that you wanted. This is helpful if you are creating content to different nationalities or your market audience is global. Not only that, on the three dots icon, you have the ability to change the voice, which is a new feature here in Seedance. You can add your own voice. You can choose a preset voice or add your own. Like for example, for female, Tallulah. For male, we have Roman, Mabel, Leo, Jaya, Quinn, Sterling. Basically, there's a lot of voices that you can choose. Okay, it's up to you. I'm not gonna do that right now since the video that I created doesn't have any voice. It's simple animation. So if you do want to select a voice, it's up to you and it will take 1 credit on your account. Now, another option is if you want to open, regenerate, reuse this, you can do so, all right? Three dots icon gives you the ability to like so that it will be forwarded to your like videos. And of course, if you want to share this to different social media platforms like share to Twitter or X, WhatsApp, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, or copy that link, send it to your client, to your team member for feedback, you can do so. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is, since we already shown you how to use Seedance in Higgsfield, why not take advantage and fully maximize the platform itself? I'm going to copy that link, and what I'm gonna do is something that pro users usually does to maximize the pricing plans they paid for this. Okay, so imagine turning AI generated videos into a real income stream even while working on your passion. Here's where it gets interesting. Business, content creators, and brands are constantly looking for video content, especially short form videos, ads, and animation. And one of the easiest ways to start earning is through Fiverr. Fiverr is basically a freelancing platform where people sell services, also known as gigs. And here's how to get started. Just create a free account here, set up your profile, and create a gig describing your service. All I have to do is go to the project brief, post it. Let's say, for example, I am going to be your UGC content creator. I create videos using Seedance for Higgsfield. Let the people know, let the client know your expertise. Make sure your description clearly explains what you offer and includes example of your work. Okay? So for example, we have copied the link earlier. You can paste it here as an example. Right here at the bottom, I'm going to paste the link. Remember earlier, we copied that link. Okay, share, copy the link, and switch back to Fiverr. I'm going to paste it here. And all I have to do is click the post button. Over time, once you start getting orders, you can sell this into a long-term side hustle, reuse templates, create faster workflows, increase your pricing as demand grows. Over time, this can turn into a semi-passive income stream, especially if you build repeat clients. And with that being said, and that wraps up our complete guide on how to use Seedance 2.0 in Higgsfield. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to create videos, edit them, and take advantage of the motion control to bring ideas to life. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your AI content game, Seedance 2.0 offers a powerful set of tools that are surprisingly easy to use once you get the hang of it. If you find it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And remember, do not forget to use our affiliate link in the video description for helpful links and resources to get you started. It helps the channel at no extra cost to you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.